Good morning mga ka-mathenics. Okay, so sa araw na ito, meron po tayong pag-aaralan. Tapos na po tayo sa pag-aaral po sa extracting the roots. Pero may mga bagay po tayong isusolve upang mas malalo pa nating malaman, mapalago yung ating kaalaman po sa solving quadratic equation by extracting the roots. Halimbawa, kung meron po tayong given na r squared minus 100 is equal to 0. So, una po natin gagawin, we need to transform this equation sa x squared is equal to k. Kasi ito po yung pinaka-general at guide formula niya upang makapag-solve po tayo. Nakita po natin ang r squared minus 100 is equal to 0 ay hindi pa po sa formang ito, kaya ipoforma po natin yun by adding positive 100. So, r squared minus 100 plus 100 is equal to 0 plus 100. Okay. And then, in minus negative 100 and positive 100, 0 na po yun. Ang matitira is r squared is equal to 0 plus 100 is 100 po. So, pagka dito po, r squared is equal to 100, we need to multiply both sides by 1/2. Okay. Makakancel na po ito. Ang matitira po ay r is equal to square root of 100. Since ang 100 po ay greater than k, greater than 0. So, ang mangyayari po, meron po tayong dalawang solution na mangyayari po. So, square root of 100 is r is equal to positive or negative 10. So, yung isa po is r is equal to positive 10. Yung isa naman is r is equal to negative 10. So, yan po ang the first solution and the second solution. So, next nating gagawin ay given po natin ay 2s is equal to 50. 2s squared is equal to 50. So, unang bagay na ating gagawin para masolve po natin ang 2s is equal to 50. Hindi po tayo pwedeng makakapag-extract diretso nito. Kasi nga, pag nag-extract tayo, wala pong perfect square of 50. So, ano pong gagawin natin para magkaroon po tayo ng perfect square? No? At malaman din po natin ang value ng k, we need to divide this. First, divide this by both sides by 2. So, pag na-divide na po natin, ang matitira po sa kabila is s squared at 50 divided by 2 is 25. So, this time po, pwede na po tayong makapag-stack. So, x squared is equal to 25. Then, multiply both sides by 1/2. Ganoon din po sa kabila, 1/2. Ito po ay makakancel. S na lang po ang matitira. Then, the square root of 25. Then, S is equal to positive or negative 5. Since 25 is greater than 0, mayroon po tayong dalawang solution. First solution po natin is S is equal to positive 5. Ang second solution po natin, S is equal to negative 5. So, if we try to check this using the original equation, we have 2s squared is equal to 50. Gamitin po natin yun na yung positive 5. 2 times positive 5 is equal to 50. Okay. Then, let's multiply by itself. 5 times 5 or 5 squared is 25 po siya. Is equal to 50. Then, 2 times 25 is 50. Is equal to 50. So, check po siya. Next is 2s squared is equal to 5 when s is negative 5 squared is equal to 50. Then 2 times negative 5 squared times negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 means positive 25 is equal to 50. So 50 is equal to 50. So the two solutions is equal, or the solutions of 2s squared is equal to 50 is positive 5 and negative 5.